What's up guys, Joris from Pagoda. Today we're here at Efteling in the Netherlands. I'm super excited about this park. It's been on my bucket list for a long time. I personally haven't been here myself, but Daniel and Lorna have. So I'm very excited. Baron 1898 is unfortunately closed for a refurbishment this year as it's its anniversary. So yeah, that will be closed, but we'll see how much of the rest of the park we can explore. So we're just standing outside of the amazing facade of Danse Macabre. This is an Intamin-based dark ride, kind of flat ride-esque kind of thing. It looks like it's have an amazing theme. I've never been on this, so I'm super excited.
So we're just coming up to the station, to the entrance to Danse Macabre. This is my first time on it, so out of the four of us, only one of us has done it before. So very excited for this. This is an Intamin motion stage, so we've not been on anything like this before. I sort of know what to expect because I've heard from Lorna what it's like, but yeah, really excited to try this out. It's entirely new for 3 out of 4 of us, so yeah, we'll let you know once we're off what we thought.
So we've just experienced Danse Macabre for the first time.
That was an amazing experience. The visuals, the movement, the sound, everything. Just a real complete audio-visual experience. Yeah, what did you think of it?
Yeah, it was amazing. It felt very complete. There was no dead patches in the ride. A lot of unexpected things happened. I won't spoil too much, but it's an absolutely amazing ride. Alright guys, so we're currently in the queue for Joris En De Drak. Super excited for this GCI wooden coaster. I've heard that it's very good. Yeah, it looks amazing. Taller than Wicker Man, faster than Wicker Man. It looks absolutely great. We're going to try for the fire side as Dan and Lorna have done the water side but haven't done the fire side, so that's an extra credit to them.
Yeah. You guys right? Whoa. So we've just done Joris En De Drak, the fire side, which we've never done before. Not sure which one's better, but both really, really awesome. Also at Efteling, you can use GoPros on rides, so if you want to film and you've got a chest harness like this, you can take it on all the rides, which has been really cool. So we've filmed the POV on the fire side. We're now queuing up for Python, which is an old Vekoma that's been retrained over the years. Been on it before, but it's a really cool looping coaster. Yeah, so we'll let you know how we get on after. Are you ready?
I don't think it's safe. It must be very safe. Okay, back. Lots of trees. 12 black.
Oh yeah. Oh my god.
So we were just on Python, a awesome Vekoma coaster. Yeah, it was really, really fun and actually much more forceful than I thought it was going to be. So yeah, later on we're going to try and find a little piece of it that's in one of the gardens. So next up we're going to do Europe's tallest swinging ship, what used to be the world's biggest.
So we've just done the swinging ship here at Efteling. We're just going to head back over to this side of the park over here where Joris En De Drak is. We did the fire side earlier, but now we're going back to the water side and then we're going to head to the other side of the park.
Alright, so we're just heading on to Joris En De Drak on the water side. Yeah, I'm super excited. The fire side was amazing. We'll see if water was better or not quite as good.
Are you ready, double chin?
water side of Joris En De Drak, definitely the better side. Both very, very good, but definitely the water side was better. So we're next going to be doing the Vliegende Hollander, which is a water coaster. This was shut last time we came, so we couldn't check it out. Keen for this. Last minute decision to go on it. We weren't sure how wet we'd get, but let's go and check it out.
Alright guys, so we're queuing for the Vliegende Hollander. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but the theme in here is absolutely amazing. It feels like an incredible ride, a bit of a last minute decision to go on here. It doesn't look like you get too wet, so I'm super excited for this. Oh. Vliegende Hollander. Again, not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but yeah, it's just here, and well, that was an absolute hidden gem if I do say so. But yeah, it was incredible. Layout was really cool, and something pretty shocking happens. Yeah, really cool. It was almost a Valhalla level of immersion right there. Absolutely incredible. There was no dead patches. It was all completely themed and well lit. So we are currently queuing for Max and Moritz. We're going on the Max side. I believe Daniel and Lorna may have done the other side last time. So yeah, this is the Mac Power Coaster. I'm really excited. And of course a dueling one, green and blue sides. Obviously, for some reason a lot of dueling coasters have green and blue sides. Of course, Max and Moritz, Joris at Vliegende Hollander. Yeah, many other rides.
Go for it, I think.
Ik heb zo'n
So we are in the Enchanted Forest at Efteling. We're just using it as a bit of a cut through, but this is actually a really amazing part of the park. So if you get time to come, to check it all out, then I highly recommend it. We are just using it as a cut through. We're heading to Villa Volta, and we're also looking for that piece of Python track that's at the Efteling Museum.
Yeah. Is it smooth?
We just had a walk through the Enchanted Forest. Yeah, now we're just outside Villa Volta. It looks like a bit of a long queue, but I'm really excited. Alright, so we've just done the original Madhouse, Villa Volta. That was absolutely amazing. I had 2 pre-shows. We're not sure what it meant, but we're going to look it up in a little bit. So currently we are in the gardens of the Efteling Museum. I'm currently sat on a piece of Python from when it was retracked in 2018. So yeah, it's a real piece of a Python track. Okay, so we have just done the Pagoda, a 150 foot tall kind of, I'm not sure what it's called, but it lifts you up on a mechanical arm and it takes you 150 feet in the air. It's a mad experience. It's really cool. You get some amazing views of the park. Yeah, just great in general. We're currently in the queue for Symbolica, which is a dark ride. We're not sure what it's actually themed on, but we've heard some great things about it.
So unfortunately, Symbolica broke down, so we've been kicked out of the queue. So basically, we're going to go and get some food, and then we're going to try for one more ride before the end of the day.
Alright guys, so we are outside the Vliegende Hollander again. Still don't know whether I'm pronouncing it right, but we found out that it translates to the Flying Dutchman. Yeah, this is such an underrated ride. I really enjoy it. So yeah, we're just going for round 2 here in the dark. 10-minute queue, so let's go.
So we've just done our last ride of the day at Efteling in the Netherlands. We went on the Flying Dutchman. It was really, really cool at night. Some of it is indoors, but the outside bit is so much better in the dark, honestly. Really, really cool. You don't get too soaked, which is really good for a water ride, because that's always something that puts us off. You know, you want to go on a ride, but you don't want to end up absolutely drenched. Check out the Flying Dutchman at Efteling. So we are on our way back to the car park. We're heading back to Amsterdam, and we're going to spend a little time around the city this evening. That is us done with Efteling for the day. Thanks for watching, we really appreciate it.